Hello investors! Today I'm here in our studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. This unit is ready to move in unit, and by just paying 10% down payment, you can already move in this unit. So I'll show you what's inside this studio unit. So let's go guys! So as you can see here, the kitchen is fully furnished na kasi meron na siyang kasamang itong ating countertop, itong ating retractable faucet, the sink, and also this cabinet na ating mga storages. And meron na rin siyang mga kasamang pin lights. And what's nice about this unit, Gournier by Oraito na yung ating brand here. This is a European brand, and this is the range hood nyo. So, ganito siya, ganito yung function niya. And meron tayo dito mga drawers pa na soft close. So, another more storage. And also, more storage here. And meron tayo ditong grease trap sa ating kitchen for our ating lababo. And it comes along with your unit. Upon paying down payment, meron na kayong kasamang inclusion na itong refrigerator natin. Gournier by Oraito. So, this is a retro fridge. And retro yung kanyang design, but inside is very functional. And let's go here sa toilet and bath natin. The toilet and bath is fully furnished as well. The toilet and bath comes with this lavatory and this white wood finish natin na storage here sa baba. Kasi usually, yung mga old condos ng Mega World, walang ganito. Nakikita yung pipe sa ilalim. And also, the toilet, and also, it comes along with the bidet na. So, napaka-nice nitong unit na to because may kasama na siya partition na half partition na glass. And also, meron tayong rain shower and retractable shower. So, kung mapapansin nyo, fully fitted na rin yung ating walls for the toilet and bath. So, ganito na siya. Modern finishes na yung nilagay natin. And what I like the most about this unit, this is very spacious. Kasi kung makikita nyo, nakatayo ako dito, naka-wood planks na siya. And also, yung ating wall is gray finish siya. So, hindi siya yung typical na white lang gray finish siya. And it comes along with this closet na meron na siyang mirror panel na kasama. And also maraming storage here. Meron pa more storage here para sa inyong mga clothes. And basically, ang dadalhin nyo na lang talaga dito is your mga gamit, mga clothes, and also yung mga sofa. So yun na lang isa-set up nyo dito. Then you will have a nice view of this balcony. So yung balcony natin super wide. So you will be having a view of this side. This is facing north. You will have the view of